Hello my lovelies and welcome back to the heart of my home. My name's G, I'm a health coach and a nutritionist. I facilitate well-being through the therapeutic use of food, herbs and spices. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to make linseed tea. Now, what's so important with linseeds? I'm sure many of you are already using golden linseed or flaxseed, which we know is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. So they're highly beneficial as an anti-inflammatory, for your skin, for heart health, for overall physiology. For this recipe, you'll need 2 ingredients: golden linseed, organic preferably, and purified water. If you don't have a water purifier, I highly recommend you purchase one, link below. Tap water will do, but there will be a difference in the consistency to linseed tea using tap water. So we're going to take a tablespoon of linseed, add it to a ceramic pan, preferably. If you don't have ceramic, then opt for stainless steel. And to that, you're going to add a pint, that's 500 mils, of purified water, and you're going to bring it to a boil. Now, this is one that I've already prepared yesterday. Once you've brought it to a boil, you leave it to stand overnight. And the reason why we do that is because overnight the liquid or the oil, the essential fatty acids, are released from the linseed. So you'll see by just the texture of the liquid 12 hours later, so it's overnight, is slightly gloopy. So it looks a little bit like thick fluid. Now what we're going to do is add a bit more water to that and reheat it. So I've just topped that up with water. I'm going to put it on low heat and allow that to simmer. And what I'm doing is I'm encouraging any further oil that's remaining within the linseeds to release. And this is the medicinal use of linseeds for your health. Linseed tea is a great recipe for the winter months. And I'm really quite big on the essential fatty acids, the oils and the fats for winter time, because essentially our body craves it. And often we find ourselves reaching out for the sweets and the sugars. But when we begin to understand the language of our body, we begin to unravel that it's not really the sweetness we're craving, but actually the essential fatty acids, which are the building blocks for our macronutrients. Remember, those are our proteins, fats and carbohydrates that fuel our body, especially through the winter. Also, the essential fatty acids, omega-3, is critical for our cellular integrity. And what do I mean by that? Every single cell in the body relies on these ingredients to fulfill their functions and their responsibilities. Now, the way I use linseed tea in the winter months is I will create this delicious golden nectar, and you can store it in the fridge for up to a week, so long as it's in a sterile container. And all you need to do is take half a glass, so I usually take half a glass, add some hot water to it and drink it. It's very soothing to the body. What do I mean by that? For me, it's like an internal hug. Okay, so you're hugging all of your cells with a ray of light. So I've been simmering this for about 20 minutes, and the consistency of the liquid has become more thicker, slightly thicker. You can simmer it for longer, but for me this is ideal. So, you know, anything between 20 minutes to half an hour is perfect. I'm going to turn this down, switch it off. Now the way I drink linseed tea is with the seeds, because the seeds have a lot of fibre. So I generally drink the whole thing. However, for those who don't like drinking the seeds, you can just pour it into a teapot to drain all the seeds. And you'll notice, if I just hold that up, you'll notice the colour is slightly opaque, but there's this sweetness to the scent, very subtle, almost like you would with green tea, and that is linseed tea. If you'd like to learn more about the healing benefits of linseed tea, please read the blog, link below. Okay, well that's all for today, folks. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified of future publications of my videos, please press the subscribe button and leave your comments below. I've really enjoyed your company today from the heart of my home. And until we meet again, wishing you vibrant health as Mother Nature intended. Bye bye.